Hey guys, Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. First opportunity of the day. You guys will probably recognize this house if you watched our previous videos. We've already washed the house, cleaned out the gutters. Now we're back to do driveway, walkway, little pavers around the mailbox there. Spray off these little stepping stones with the turbo nozzle. Those. Pavers here. Trash can area. This big patio. See, doors on. Pavers that go all the way around. Get all the dents off of that with the turbo nozzle. Before you guys start making fun of me, yes, that's our service cleaner. We haven't bought the big one yet. Just don't do enough concrete to justify it. But we're only going to have to. I got Noah surface cleaning. Matthew's running around here somewhere, hiding. Oh, there he is. Probably playing games on his phone. Those little stepping stones. So we'll do all this and then rinse the house off back here. Get rid of all that dinge. And yeah, we'll get it knocked out. So, we shall see you guys momentarily. Peace. Alright guys, here we are, opportunity number 2. Got Matthew hooking the gun up. The king of the duplex is back in action. Obviously we got another duplex, backside. I'm going to be doing the top of this deck, top of that deck, underneath, patio. Patio on this one, just the underneath of the deck. Up there, show you how dirty it is. You guys can see that now, huh? Yeah, that's dirty. Gotta clean this up. Spray off underneath here. All the way down. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Up a bit. Property protection, some bushes, not too many sensitive flowers. So we get to spray in this one. I'll show you some footage of the spray in just a minute. Peace. Alright guys, thought I'd get a little spray time on the video here. Already done the backside. Look at that. Got the exterior wide open, standing 8 feet away from the house, and it doesn't even touch the house. Makes it hard to swing water. Fighting Mother Nature. Wind is not our friend. I didn't know it. Wind is not our friend. start the bottom. Here comes the wind again. Always on his phone. Alright guys, I'm going to continue to fight this wind. Stop and go, stop and go. When the wind stops, we go. It's going away real fast, just be very smart. So, alright, I'll show you the end results in just a minute. Alright guys, we're finally finished up with this one, doing the final walk around, make sure that we got everything. That's right. Recognize. Let's go Cardinals. Everything seems to have felt really clean. Doors are nice and white. Gutter's face is nice and white. Beautiful wet drain spots that I always love to see in my videos. Drive me nuts. Stuff on here. It just needs to dry. Downspouts look good. Siding all looks good. Oh no. Looks like we missed a spot. We gotta come back and get that. Yep. That's why we do our walk-arounds. Oh, hell in the world I missed that spot. I thought I soaked that 5 or 6 times. Alright, we'll get it. Over here looks good. Nice wet spots. Here's the side of chest ribs. That's super wet. Everything looks good, looks good, looks good. Alright, we're going to get that one spot, get things wrapped up, and we'll be out of here. It's another one in the books. The Duplex King has completed another one, and we're about to get out. Peace.